Broccoli is one of the foremost veggies to come to our mind. Coming from the cabbage family, broccoli can be categorized as an edible green plant. Here are some of the amazing benefits of broccoli. 1. Prevents cancer. Broccoli should be an essential ingredient in your anti-cancer diet. Cruciferous vegetables contain sulforaphane, which has anti-cancer properties. Broccoli sprouts have a bigger role to play as they contain a higher concentration of cancer-protective sulforaphane. It is found that small quantities of crucifer sprouts may protect against the risk of cancer as effectively as much larger quantities of mature vegetables of the same variety. 2. Maintains heart health. This dark green leafy vegetable provides an adequate amount of folate that can promote your heart health. The presence of antioxidants in broccoli also helps in decreasing the risk of heart disease. A diet rich in polyphenol is known for strengthening the cardiovascular functions. Broccoli is a dietary source of quercetin, which is a polyphenol. 3. Regulates blood pressure and blood sugar. Low calcium is a factor that contributes to high blood pressure. By including calcium-rich food like broccoli in your menu, you can manage your blood pressure. Also, the chromium content in broccoli regulates your blood sugar. It increases insulin's efficiency and thereby increases glucose tolerance. 4. Prevents skin damage. Looking for a way to fight wrinkles on your skin? Fall in love with broccoli, which is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C is also essential for the synthesis of collagen that keeps your skin looking firm. Even the topical application of broccoli sprouts could help you. According to a team of Johns Hopkins scientists, applying an extract of broccoli sprouts can protect your skin against the damaging effects of ultraviolet radiation. The extract could treat the skin redness caused by UV rays. This can, in turn, reduce the long-term risk of developing skin cancer. 5. Detoxifies your body. Sulforaphane, the protective phytochemical in broccoli, takes care of the body's defense mechanism against carcinogens. It induces detoxification enzymes, which help in deactivating carcinogens and free radicals. It is found that 3-day-old sprouts of broccoli have more detoxifying capacity than the mature plants. 6. Helps you lose weight. A nutrient-rich food loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber is a perfect fit for your fat-free diet. Then go for broccoli, which is also low in calories. If you crave for snacks, pick up half a cup of broccoli. It has a mere 25 calories. 7. Bone health. Broccoli contains high levels of both calcium and vitamin K, both of which are important for bone health and prevention of osteoporosis. Along with calcium, broccoli is also full of other nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and phosphorus. Because of these properties, broccoli is extremely suitable for children, elderly, and lactating mothers.